The 2013 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.